Hello friends, Namaste. I'm Dr. Dhanvantri Kumar Jha and today we are going to talk about hair fall and its management through Ayurveda. Hairs or the kesh according to Ayurveda are known as the Upadhatu or secondary tissue of Asthi Dhatu or the bones of our body. Hair fall is termed as Khalitya in most of the classical Ayurvedic texts. According to Ayurveda, the main culprit or the main dosha involved in premature hair fall and premature graying of hairs is the Pitta dosha. The Pitta dosha basically in your body can be exaggerated and can become pathological if you consume a lot of sour, spicy, fermented, oily and salty diet. Excessive of anger, emotional stress, excessive of weeping or crying, suppressing your natural urges like urination or passing of stools can also lead to hair fall. The normal number of hair that can fall daily ranges between 50 to 100 hairs per day. If your hair fall is more than this, or if you are losing a lot of hair compared to your age, then you have a problem or a condition which is pathological hair fall or Khalitya according to Ayurveda. What are the things that you can do to control this? To control the hair fall, or if you are suffering from hair fall, the first thing that you have to do is avoid any causative factor which can disturb your Pitta dosha. So avoid sour, spicy, fermented, salty, fried foods. Second thing is, except the summer season, avoid sleeping during the daytimes. Avoid taking warm water for washing your hairs. Do normal oil massage which contains bringraj or amalki or some amount of milk in it, which can pacify the Pitta dosha and control your hair fall. Hair oil or massaging your scalp once a week can be very helpful. One more thing that you can do daily in your daily routine is have nasya or nasal instillation of ghee drops in both your nostrils. For this, you can take a bit of warm ghee and keep 2 or 3 drops of this warm ghee in both your nostrils. If you are suffering from acidity or such problems of burning along with this, then certainly you have a bigger problem of Pitta, and for this you can consume internally also this ghee. So for this you have to take warm ghee about half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon and consume every day after your lunch and after your dinner. I hope this would help you with your hair fall and you would see drastic improvement in your hair falls after using all these things. Remember, Pitta is the main culprit for your hair fall. Thank you. Namaste.